And after he took them away as slaves, in few years, Cyrus the Great of Persia, Persia was the eastern half of Iraq plus Iran today, plus a part of Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, all that area was Persia. Cyrus the Great, in few years, he attacks this place and he captures all these people, the Bani Israel, and he keeps them as slave till Allah sent Uzair alayhi salam, and Uzair alayhi salam requested Cyrus. Cyrus releases all of them and they enter Palestine again in 537 BC. After 60 years of the capture by Nebuchadnezzar, later 60 years they enter. And now they start to live in Palestine. 520 BC, the second temple of Solomon is constructed. Now Solomon is between Musa alayhi salam and Nebuchadnezzar. Exact date nobody knows. Sulaiman alayhi salam is the son of Dawood alayhi salam. Sulaiman alayhi salam was the first person who constructed the Baitul Muqaddas. And when they returned, they constructed the temple. Why the second temple? Because when Nebuchadnezzar captured them, he destroyed Baitul Muqaddas for the first time, which is called the Solomon's temple. Second time constructed in 520 BC by Uzair alayhi salam, and they started to live there.